My brothers, we have code EQ5 2020. The key sign is visible with us, and the car sometimes gets messed up and formed. Prepare the examination. Give us many breakdowns. Malfunctions are available. I mean, the problem of the Q5. The K5 problem is here. This computer is entered by me. May enters from here. Water descends on him. The customer, of course, got a new computer. This is what changes a new user needs. We will write it and program it. As usual, an online programmer. We program online and complete. We finished a programmer who remained disabled in the race. Not related. In the name of God, start the engine. Okay, there is a problem left. Greetings to you.